that is not conducive for their proliferation, right?
Go watch the full video. I don't know that creator, but he's touching on a point that I have been harping on for a very long time. And he's talking about the proper way to address parasites. The whiteboard behind him looks like this. The first step is metals, toxins, which lead to fungus, which lead to parasites. He talks about how heavy metal toxicity leads to a slew of opportunistic pathogens. In his example, it's specifically fungi leading to more parasites. And he talks about how when you're addressing parasites, you don't actually want to kill them off yourself. You want to starve them of their raw materials that they need to proliferate. Like this right there. And if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know I talk a lot about iron overload. And how over the past 4, 5, 6, 7 generations, we have been progressively overloaded with iron at a rate that our body is not equipped to handle. And this overabundance of iron creates an environment that is very pro-parasite. And it's very well recognized that parasites, by definition, are completely reliant on their host to keep them alive. And because iron is such a critical resource for energy creation, pathogens are very good at leaching it from their host. So for those doing parasite cleanse after parasite cleanse after parasite cleanse and not knowing where the end is, if you're not addressing their food supply via the nutrients that you're taking in, you're not really taking care of the problem. It'd be like living in a house made of cheese and putting out a few mouse traps and wondering why the mice keep coming back.